Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amapenzo TV. It's the KEF Confed Cup. Zesco 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Ubabu Mnigeni.
Stibo.
Welcome to.
Yeah, no, but Chiefs.
Yes.
Ngizothi idlale kahle omunye angeke azavume.
Yes.
Into engishoyo iChiefs iyazi ukuthi umdlalo winwa kanjani.
Yes.
Mawungathi uyabheka siye lapha emagame amaningi iChiefs wawina ngo-1-0.
Yes, sir.
Kanjani na? U-goalkeeper wayo akawawina ama-man of the match.
Yes, sir.
Uwina amagame.
Yes.
Unama clean sheet inqwaba maningi kunama dreadlocks ka Stibo ama clean sheet eChiefs.
I'm more than this.
Hayi maningi. Into yenza lokho ukuba ugoalkeeper uhleka mina nomhleka lento engishoyo.
Ungibambile.
Into yenza lokho ukuthi iChiefs ibe nama uPeterson ebe nama clean sheet amaningi. Abantu bazi ukuthi ukuze ube ugoalkeeper omkhulu kuze kuthiwe u-number 1 goalkeeper kufanele ukuthi udive kakhulu. Yabona wenza ama save inqwaba. uPeterson mangathi uyabheka iyaphela igame enza isave eyodwa noma ingabangabikho. Ngani ngoba uyakwazi ukuorganize ehlele kahle idefense yakhe.
Yeah.
Uzobona mayihlasela uthi uyabheka maye ngabe ibhola liyathathwa le uthola ukuthi iback four yakhe nje ishaya ulayini phambi kweback four kunabantu.
Yes.
Bese enye into ababe bahle kakhulu ngayo namhlanje imisebenzi yakhe njalo uPeterson kodwa nebackline yakhe kufanele siyincome. Ama second ball.
Sure.
I-second ball leli ibhola leli elizoshaywa mhlambe i-long ball noma i-cross bese bafike baya defender la eliyowela khona lithola umuntu weChiefs okusho ukuthi ibackline yakhona ihlelekile i-defense yeChiefs ihlelekile. Kukhona omunye ke obuzayo ekhaya ukuthi kungani kuqale uSolomons yaqala ngaphambi kaMnyane yini indaba ngoba uMnyane uyalazi ibhola.
Yes, sir.
The reason why Solomons started history works. You like it or not, especially on spiritual teams like Pirates and Chiefs and Sundowns, those kinds of teams. History works. When Chiefs won the Cup Winners' Cup some years ago, Dr. Kumar was still playing and he was dancing with the ball in that final. So the main player who took Chiefs all the way was Jose Makamo. But he wasn't doing so great. He's a Mozambican. He wasn't doing so great, but he was scoring crucial goals. Yes, if you can check now, Solomons has scored about 2 goals.
Sure,
and both goals were individual goals.
Yes.
So they said, let's put him in so that he can get us a goal. Sure. Then why was he substituted? He was substituted because now they needed to defend more. Remember, he's not so mnandi on the ball. So they had to put Mnyane in during the second half because they scored early, so they had something to defend. They didn't need more of his goals. Yes, so that was very, very crucial.
That's true. That's true.
But there is nothing without a but.
What's the but?
The but is the Chiefs center back pairing. The center back pairing played very well, but I don't like to see them playing together. I want them to play one of them between Quinika and Miguel. Why? Because they are not so nice on foot. When they have the ball on their feet, they are not so nice. Yeah, abekho comfortable. Manje lokho kugcina kumphoqa mangabe kugcina kumphoqa ukuthi mangabe akambona uMakhadi akambona uMakhadi ngaka left akayibona i-right back kugcina kumphoqa manje uPeterson ukuthi akadlala ibhola lakudala eladlalwa obaloyi no Okpara no Tende Eshel fanele alikhahlele kuthiwa asambe sohlangana phambili lelo bhola lelo noma kanjani liyabuya manje lokho kunokuyishaya iChiefs kanti uma ngabe bezobeka uBrendan Peterson la center hayi lo mfana uMakhadi man Aiden Makhadi ngabe zombeka la center uyakwazi ukuthi uPeterson amphasele ibhola seliqale silidlala emumva likhuphuke liye phambili kodwa ngale kwalokho ngingathi uModi ngiyambongela ingcindezi akanayo ingcindezi pressure. There's a lot of pressure on the boy because he's losing a lot of balls. He's not creative enough sometimes. Yes, he gets a lot of the ball because he knows how to position himself. But he cannot convert those chances or make that killer pass. But I congratulate him for this goal. I think it's going to work on him. It's going to give him some confidence. Also, I like the header by... that led to the goal by Silva.
Yeah,
he played very well. Quality header there, and Chiefs. Even if Modi missed, there were other two players around him who could have scored that ball. So that means Chiefs wanted that ball and they scored very early, which is very enough. Which is enough. I just pray for them, not for me, for Chiefs, that today. If I don't know when is Zamalek and Al Masry playing. I just wish Zamalek win so that Al Masry remains on 4 points.
Yes.
Yeah, so that can work for Chiefs. Yes, so that they can go to the second round.
Yes.
It's not so good for me that Chiefs is going to the second round, but it's good for South African football. So South African football then overrides anything.
Wins.
I condemn the behavior by Sundowns supporters yesterday of pouring water on Flemingberg. It reflects bad on the team. It's killing the morale of the team. So that I think Sundowns, I cannot say arrest who or don't arrest who, but if Sundowns fans can just learn that there are 3 results. You win, you draw, you lose. So if they can learn that, it's not so bad at Sundowns. It's just that the other teams, which is Pirates and Chiefs, upped their game. If Chiefs and Pirates were bad, Sundowns will be number 1 clearly. But unfortunately, they upped their game. So Sundowns supporters, please, Bafowethu, don't do this. It's too much. Other than that, I like Amafens wethu. I hope they like me too, but I'm not sure.
They do.
They do.
Thank you so much, love you.